Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM card properly, and this can take a dual SIM as well, and I'll show you how to insert that as well. Okay, so first thing is get your ejection tool. If you look in your pamphlet, when you got your phone here, it has a SIM ejection tool here. If you don't have this, you can use another SIM ejection tool from another phone. You can use a thin paper clip, even a bobby pin, even the back of a stud earring. You can use that as well. Anyways, if you look on the bottom here, we have that little tiny hole. This is the SIM tray right here. So go ahead and grab your SIM ejection tool. We're going to go ahead and put it in the hole here and give it a little bit of pressure until it pops out like that. Take the rest out just like that. And we can see here, now right here is going to be the SIM 1. Okay, right here is the SIM 1. Now if I turn it over, we can see that little bit of writing right here. This is for SIM 2. Okay, now I only have one SIM card, but I'll switch them. Okay, so first thing is the SIM 1. Again, it's right here. We can see on the bottom right hand side that like diagonal slit, so your SIM card fits in there perfectly. Okay, so go ahead and make sure the metallic is facing you. Here's the little slit right there, so I'm going to pop it in just like this. You want to press down and you hear like a little snap, and make sure it's not going to fall out. Okay, if you have a SIM 2, you want to put it in there as well. And I'll switch as a SIM 2 in 1 second. I don't have 2 SIM cards on me right now. Anyways, let's go ahead and line it up just like this. And I have no SIM card in here right now. I'm just going to pop it in. Give it a second. Hopefully it finds it here. I have a T-Mobile SIM card here from the US. Give it a second here. Let me scroll down here. Okay, yeah, it found it here. I can see I have the bars right there. Now to check it too, if we just slide down, we go into the settings here. And then if we go down to, I'll click on the Wi-Fi and internet right here. If you tap on that, then it says SIM and network. Okay, so I can go ahead and tap on that right there, and we can see SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay, so SIM 1, I have the T-Mobile there. I can go ahead and enable mobile data down here as well. Preferred network type, I'm going to leave that on automatic up to 4G, just like that. Okay, so SIM 1 is working properly here, and I don't have 2 SIM cards, but let me just put the SIM in the SIM tray too. Okay, so just pulled it out like that, and we can just go ahead and use the SIM tray tool just to pop it out like that. And now again, here's the little writings here on this side here. So this is SIM 2. Okay, SIM 1 doesn't have no writing here on the side. Let me try to focus in on here. Okay, so anyways, this is SIM 2 here, and we can see that slit on the bottom left hand side. So let me turn that over, pop that in, make sure it doesn't like fall out, and I'll go ahead and place this back in here. And should find my network. You can see that it is grayed out, and then SIM 2 is highlighted. So obviously if you have 2 SIM cards on here, these are both going to be highlighted. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.